This is a quick video to show you how to get to the tutorials that are built into SolidWorks if you happen to miss this in class. What you need to do from the SolidWorks home screen, you click on the house icon, come here, and it's going to launch this Welcome Home SolidWorks screen. You're going to come to the Learn tab. Click on that. There is this tutorials thing to click on right here. It's going to bring up a side window that I recommend, seriously recommend that you move this off into your sub screen, but for right now I will leave it here. This particular one that we're going to want to do is Introduction to SolidWorks that says it's going to take like roughly 1 hour. You click on open this. Okay, you're going to want to follow the instructions exactly as best you can. So first part, it's going to come. Here's another handy thing. If you click on these little icons here, those active, it's going to flash you where you're going to want to go. Okay, we haven't created our first document here, or we already had them. To get this one started correctly, you're going to go New. I'm going to click on a part. Okay, we aren't going to be able to set this units here. Let me show you how we're going to change that. Very likely our default units are going to be set to inch, pound, second. Down here, we're going to want to click on those letters, and we're going to come up to millimeter, gram, second for this particular part. So millimeter, gram, second. All right. It's going to ask you to come through. You're going to sketch circles. Again, if you get confused and lost, you can click on this, and it's going to blink and show you where to go to find those things if they're there. Well, see these different things that come up. That's kind of cool. We got to click on this first. On the features toolbar, the front, top, and right planes appear in the graphics area. And that's meaning the graphics area here. Move the pointer over top plane, get the idea, and you would want to select from there. Okay. We'd started on our sketch. You're going to follow all of these instructions. You got to go next, 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 next. There's quite a few things. Ultimately, what's going to end up happening is you're going to create a 3-view drawing of this part, finishing out this tutorial all the way. It's a little bit clunky, their interface, but it's going to work for now. You're going to submit to me the 3-view drawing, but in a PDF format. I'm going to have to show you potentially in class later once you get there. But for the actual assignment, it's going to be a PDF representation of the 3-view drawing. Okay, that's what we want for this very first tutorial, and that's how to access these. And you can learn along kind of at your own pace with some of these other cool tutorials that are in here. I haven't gone into these ones yet myself, but these could be interesting to take a look at. They've got sample parts that are in here that we may take a look at. Okay, so please move along at your own pace, but do this very first Introduction to SolidWorks tutorial, please.